My name is John Kelly. I'm an attorney in Redding, California, with the law firm of Morgan and Kelly. We've defended public school districts in just about every county north of Sacramento for more than 30 years. My clients were the Siskiyou County Office of Education and one of its employees. He was driving a county office van, and as usual, he pulled into the back parking lot behind the high school. Plaintiff, who was a 16-year-old student at the high school, she and her brother had parked behind the faculty parking lot, and he stayed back with the car, and she walked toward the main campus. We know that the van and the plaintiff came in contact with each other, and the plaintiff was run over by the back tire of the van. Our driver was adamant that she was never in front of the van. He never saw her before the accident. There were no witnesses listed in the police report to the accident, and the school's security video didn't cover the area where the accident happened. So we were lacking a lot of evidence as to what happened. My accident reconstructionist and my biomechanical expert went to the scene of the accident at the exact time the accident happened, and they had the same van with the same van driver, and he drove the same route that he drove that morning. And in that fashion, the accident reconstructionist would take measurements with his laser rangefinder every 5 feet as to where the van was moving, all four tires. That information was given then to DK Global, who took all that information and somehow magically made an animation out of it that was precise to the scale and measurements from the accident reconstruction expert. So plaintiff's counsel originally just took the police report and said, look, it says the driver's at fault. We believe it's 100% at fault. Therefore, we want $8 million. Then plaintiff's counsel retired and a new firm took over. They didn't make any demands in the case until they did a 998 just around the time of expert disclosure. And that was for 2.6 million. And at that time, they had our video and knew what our experts were thinking. The value of the case based on her extensive injuries was going to be much higher than that, probably close to 10 million or more in front of a jury if they found full liability. So we thought it'd be best to accept the settlement, and we did. If you have a video, the attorney can just walk the jury through it. It's much easier on the attorney because their closing arguments are half done already. And it's much easier for the jury to perceive what's going on.